The new 2025 Haval H7 HEV, a hybrid SUV that redefines the segment. The 2025 Haval H7 HEV is set to revolutionize the SUV market with its powerful hybrid engine, luxurious features, and competitive pricing. This article delves into the advantages, disadvantages, detailed specifications, and pricing of the Haval H7 HEV, providing a comprehensive overview for potential buyers. Advantages 1. Power and efficiency. The Haval H7 HEV combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 179 kilowatts and 530 Nm of torque. This setup ensures both dynamic performance and improved fuel efficiency compared to traditional petrol engines. 2. Luxurious features. The super luxury trim offers a range of premium features, including a head-up display, hands-free electric tailgate, ventilated seats with memory function, and ambient LED interior lighting. The cabin is designed to provide a comfortable and modern driving experience. 3. Advanced safety features. The H7 HEV includes a comprehensive suite of safety technologies, such as semi-autonomous driving aids, multiple airbags, and advanced collision mitigation systems, ensuring enhanced safety on the road. 4. Competitive pricing. Priced from $730,950 in South Africa, the Haval H7 HEV offers a compelling balance of performance, luxury, and affordability compared to other models in its class. 5. Disadvantages 1. Limited availability. The hybrid variant is scheduled to launch in the second quarter of 2025, which may delay availability for early adopters. 2. Potential noise insulation issues. While not specifically noted for the H7, some Haval models have faced criticism for poor sound insulation, which could be a concern for long drives. 3. Display obstruction. Similar to other models with large infotainment screens, there might be instances where the display obstructs the driver's view, although this is not specifically reported for the H7. 4. Details and specifications. Engine: 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine combined with an electric motor. Power output: 179 kilowatts. Torque: 530 Newton meters. Transmission: dual hybrid transmission, DHT. Drivetrain: front-wheel drive, FWD. Interior features: panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a 14.6-inch infotainment system. Safety features: 6 airbags. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot detection. Warranty: 7-year, 200,000 kilometers vehicle warranty and an 8-year, 150,000 kilometers hybrid battery warranty. 5. Prices. The Haval H7 HEV is priced from $730,950 in South Africa for the super luxury trim. This includes a comprehensive warranty package and service plan. 5. In Saudi Arabia, the Haval H7 is available at a competitive price, though specific pricing for the HEV variant is not detailed in the available data. 6. Conclusion. The 2025 Haval H7 HEV presents a compelling option for those seeking a powerful, efficient, and luxurious SUV. With its robust hybrid powertrain and extensive list of premium features, it is poised to make a significant impact in the market. While some potential drawbacks exist, the overall package offers excellent value for its price.